Margate coming down to the toll.
Heavy rain and intense storm conditions have struck the coastal town of Margate on the KwaZulu-Natal South Coast, causing widespread flooding and disruption throughout the area. Torrential downpours fell relentlessly through the afternoon, submerging streets, inundating sections of the central town center, and overwhelming drainage systems that were already saturated from previous rainfall. Low-lying roads and thoroughfares were transformed into flows of moving water, forcing motorists to abandon vehicles and residents to wade through deep, treacherous currents as they sought safe ground.
Shelley Centre, stay away. Trolleys are actually floating around in the parking lot.
The heart of the town's business district, usually busy with holiday traffic this time of year, was left waterlogged and still as shops and offices stood surrounded by rising floodwaters. Local authorities reported that the storm front extended beyond Margate, sweeping across the broader KwaZulu-Natal province, bringing powerful rain squalls, sudden shifts in wind, and hazardous conditions to multiple coastal and inland communities.
Careful here by Kwaga Road next to the power station between Charlotte Mateke and Roger Dyson. A lot of water here in the road. A lot of water.
In nearby Shelley Beach, water accumulated rapidly in shopping areas and car parks, turning paved surfaces into shallow lakes and blocking essential access routes. Emergency personnel and volunteers worked to assist those stranded, guiding residents away from unstable culverts and advising people to avoid unnecessary travel until waters receded and conditions improved. Weather warnings remain in effect across much of the region as the system slowly moves through, with further showers and isolated thunderstorms predicted to add to the flooding risk.
Okay, guys, be careful. There is heavy downpours, thunderstorms here at the moment. It's extremely bad.
Officials emphasize that even a short period of heavy rain on saturated ground can lead to flash flooding without warning, and residents are urged to stay alert, monitor updates, and prepare for potential evacuations if floodwaters continue to rise.
Okay, just a little update on Shelley Centre, the parking lot here. This is at the one end of the centre's entrances.
Despite the chaos, community members have shown resilience, helping neighbors clear blocked drains, checking on elderly residents, and sharing real-time information about flooded streets to keep others safe.
Really bad, so please stay off the roads. Anyone, guys, please be careful. It is bad. It's been going like this for the last hour. It doesn't appear to be stopping. So if you're in Margate South Coast,
The aftermath of the storm will require coordinated recovery efforts, especially as businesses and infrastructure in the Margate area work to return to normal operations once the floodwaters ebb. Continued vigilance is essential as authorities assess the full impact of the storm, and emergency response teams remain on standby to support recovery and protect vulnerable communities.